One of the best progresses we've made in the subcommittee is with Indian country, and particularly here in Arizona. I'm very proud of my association. We've done good things about not only, first thing is to establish the idea, reestablish the idea of sovereignty in this federal government of ours, where it's a respectful, constitutionally, treaty-protected process. And then secondly, what consultation is. You know, when they're going to explore for uranium, consultation to the Hopi, Navajo, Hualapai, and Yavapai is not a notice that they sent. Consultation is you bring me in, you tell me what it is, and you let me react to it, and you let me have input to it. That's what we mean by consultation, and we're going to codify that into law so that no agency in the federal government will ever be able to say, there was no definition to consultation. We're going to make a very solid definition of what it means to do government-to-government relations and what it means. And that's one of my goals for next year, to codify that into law so there will never be another question on how the federal government deals with sovereign nations, native nations. So I'm kind of excited about what I'm doing. I'm really enjoying my job.